Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to motion track in CapCut PC. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to open your CapCut application, and over here import your video as well. So I have already imported my video. Now let's drag it to our timeline. So as you can see, this is a small sequence of a dance video. So let's get started with the motion tracking. So first what you have to do is Ctrl C and Ctrl V, which is copy and pasting, and drag it to another timeline. So we will use this as a overlay. So the next step is to go on the right hand side. You can see the option for tracking. Click over here and click on motion tracking. And here you can see the direction. I'm just going to set to the both. And as you can see, you can turn on the scale or turn off the scale as well. And here you can see the distance as well, so I'm just going to turn on for now. So what you can do is drag it, and over here you can see this is our face. What you have to do is now just click on start, and as you can see our motion tracking is working like this. So as you can see our motion track is working like this. So yeah, this is not quite professional, but it does the job. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to motion track in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.